Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. It looks like it's about to get interesting weather-wise here in New England. Now that's how you fill up a rain barrel. This was empty a couple of minutes ago. Whoa. Much needed rain, a break in the heat. I think it was 90, they corrected it, it was like 99 in Boston yesterday. Thought it was around 97. Yeah, we've had like 4 days of heat above in the 90s. So much needed rain. I better get inside. Alright everyone, so today's Friday, July 2nd. That rain barrel's filled up and then some. I think we had over, I forget when it started raining, at least 12 hours of rain. It really came down. It's at 6 p.m. I think I said it's Friday, July 2nd. Complete overcast, windy. And we went from a high, I think they recorded a record high of 99 degrees in Boston the other day. And right now, current temperature is 58 degrees. I think we had a record low, high temperature of 66 degrees. It's actually cold. I was closing some windows. And it's dry air. It feels a little humid. That's just because of the moisture in there. It's not that humidity, humidity. But, and I'm not. It's supposed to be like this through July 4th. So I don't know. I haven't been into the hives in a long time. I have not checked on the status of the queens. So I could have, I don't know, they're bringing in pollen. They seem to be, they seem to have a purpose. I watch them going in and out of the hive. But I was watching somebody's video and they mentioned that the return of the queen from mating flight might be about 75%. So each one of those had a queen that had to go out on a mating flight. So, but I can't get in there. It was really hot, like I said, and it was real windy also. So yesterday it was raining, sprinkling, it was overcast, and the bees did not seem to be in a good mood. So, yeah. Some strange weather, but definitely nice break from the heat and the humidity. So this is New England Gardening. Today's Friday, July 2nd, 2021. It's currently 58 degrees. Thanks for watching.